Hey Team 1000X, this is Dustin coming at you again with another video where we talk about the wild world of internet money. This is today's daily crypto rundown where we talk about what you need to know in the world of crypto. Alright, so we got today's coin market cap up. We're going to take a look at where Bitcoin is, and it looks like it's at 7,900 even. Pretty good. It actually hit 8K yesterday, but it was very brief and then went back down. So the expectation is that that's going to climb over the top either today or tomorrow, and there's some other news that may even get it up past further, which we'll discuss here in a second. But total market cap is $229 billion. Pretty healthy. Let's look and see what everyone else is doing. Got a little bit of growth in Ethereum. Very happy to see it kind of eclipse that stubborn low 300s that it's been at for a long time, several weeks, and now it's kind of climbing beyond that. Pretty bullish on Ethereum in general. I feel like it's very undervalued where it is today, but based off of some other things, maybe it's not where you put your money now, but it will definitely grow beyond where it is today for sure eventually. Okay, Bitcoin Cash, kind of it hit after this attack. It kind of was like, okay, we're just trying to get into the thousands and stay there, which is what I had assumed, and that's kind of where they're at. So there may be more of these little attacks on Bitcoin later on down the road, but for now it seems like it's kind of just chilling out. All right, scrolling down, we're looking at lots of greens, lots of reds. It's kind of an even kill so far today, so looks like it's a pretty normal market day. Bitcoin's gonna have a little bit of action later, I think, so we'll get into what that is right now. So couple things. Well, before we get into this story, we'll kind of get a little background. Last week or so, there was an exchange, the Chicago exchange, not a cryptocurrency exchange, but a real world exchange. They announced that they were going to do some futures trading. And so that actually helped the Bitcoin's price get up to where it is right now. However, there is an announcement that is kind of like, hush hush, that it's just a rumor at this point, that they're going to start opening that up for customers. So that was information that was kind of leaked out yesterday or the day before, and this morning I believe this is a response to that rumor, where Coinbase is announcing that it has a company called Coinbase Custody that's coming out to help institutional investors handle their futures portfolios essentially. So you can see here it says, by some estimates, there's 10 billion of institutional money waiting on the sidelines to invest in digital currency today. So there's really no platforms that have existed to really help that. And they also needed to have the existing financial institutions to kind of come up with guidelines, or so to speak. So anyway, all of this stuff is kind of coming out, and I think that it was as a result of that rumor that they're going to start on Monday opening up that futures trading to customers, and then this would be a platform that can be used. So it's kind of just correlating. So what does that mean for Bitcoin? This could spike it up to 10K easy, just because this money is waiting on the sidelines to come in. That's a lot of money. So if you go back to this market cap here, that could go up by 10. Not saying it will go up by 10, but that is a potential consequence of throwing that into Bitcoin. So yeah, that's pretty significant if that's all actually true. But regardless, this was announced today. So at some point, whether or not it happens, according to the rumor, it will happen. And when it does, it's just going to pump up Bitcoin even more than it is today. And so here is another article just kind of covering that. I think this is probably the biggest news story of crypto right now. It's just kind of like, at this point, wait and see. But if it doesn't happen on Monday, it will happen at some point. So anyway, that's going to be it for today's daily crypto rundown. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, share. In the comments below, there are links. If you're interested in getting started on any of the things that you've seen in these videos, you want to get into Bitcoin or start generating some of it for yourself, the best way to get started is to just start. So click that link, sign up, go through it. If you think that you need help, send me a message. I'd be more than happy to walk you through it, and I can show you kind of what I've been doing to earn Bitcoin for this channel, and maybe you can earn a little bit for yourself. All right, guys, so that's going to be it. Talk to you later. Peace.